In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find voice chat invitation link in Slack. So if you had started a huddle or a voice chat and you like to invite people by sending them the voice chat link, it is pretty simple. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, as you can see, I have here a voice chat or a huddle that is on, and I'd like to go ahead and invite people using this chat link. To do so, it is quite simple. Just head over to invite someone here, and then down here you'll see we have an option to copy huddle link. So if you go ahead and copy this link, now you can go ahead and share it with anyone, and you can see here is the link, and once they click on it, they'll be able to join. Alternatively, you can invite them by just clicking on their names here if they are on this workspace, and they will all be invited if you so wish. So that's how you can invite people using the voice chat link. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.